Excuse me, sir, you're not audible.
Okay, okay. So we are starting the mass transfer with chemical reaction, which is not very slow reaction. That means atta number is not far less than 1. Now take the case that both gas and liquid are in plug flow and this and counter current operation in a tower. So if you write the balance equation, say that simply schematic you can draw it. So it will be PA out, which will be generally PA in, it is generally high PA, and here it is CB out, CB in, PA out. Okay. So this is a high, this is low, this is high, this is high, this is low. Oh, no. It will be high, it will be low. Okay. So we can take this as a 1 and this is second point, 1 and 2. So for the small change in the volume, if we take the small volume amount here and write the balance equation, A lost by gas is it is equal to 1 upon B, B lost by liquid, and this is equal to reaction disappearance by the of A by reaction. Is it? So overall equation will be Fg. Fg is what? Molar flow rate of inert. Okay. dYA molar ratio, moles of A divided by moles of inert is equal to 1 by B. FL molar flow rate of inert in liquid, XB capital XB, that is molar ratio, moles of B divided by moles of inert in liquid is equal to reaction rate expression, which is as per the conditions, and dVr. So it will be the 1, this is 2, this is yes. Is it? So now for dilute conditions, suppose this is the balance equation. Dilute conditions in the sense PA out is far less than pi, or for a very small concentration of A and also B. So we can say that PU is equal to approximating to pi, and similarly Cu is approximating to Cv. So this expression can be easily written for the Fg in terms of the Pa divided by pi. Similarly, 1 upon V, it should be minus here because it is minus Fl upon Ct d Cb, and this is equal to minus Ra dVr, or if you write in terms of the interfacial surface area. So this way you can write the expression. So for normal condition, from these two equations, Vr is equal to what? Fg into Ya1 upon Ya2 dYA into A, you can write this same. Is it? Or in terms of the Fl, and balance equation by taking these two, you can write it Fg Ya2 minus Ya1 is equal to Fl into Xb1 minus Xb. By using this expression, you can find out the any intermediate level values. So if you are knowing this exit, and you are knowing this one, if you have put certain value, so you will have the operating line for the concentration of this particular one, but Ra will be different. So depend that Ra may be here different, Ra may be here different, or Ra may be changing. Regime may be here may be same, throughout the column may be same, but it may be possible to change through the column also. That we'll see in the some examples. So if you take for this dilute system, it will be what? Vr is equal to Fg upon pi. Simple equation, this Pa1, Pa2, dPa minus Ra. Or if you write Fl B Ct Ca, it will be Ca2, it will be Ca1, remember. Is it? Sorry, Cb, it will be Cb. dCb upon minus Ra A. And balance equation based on this Fg upon R Pa2 minus Pa1, and it will be Fl upon Bct Cb1 minus Cb. So generally in most of the cases this case is applicable, dilute system. In other cases you may use directly this equation, so depend that which one is. So now you can see here how we can solve this particular one, how we can get these values, or how we can get the volume of reactor, because this Ra is a function of what? Say that constant mass transfer, constant rate, constant, and other values, but variable is Pa and Cb mainly. So with respect to height of the column, these values are changing. So if these values are changing, definitely Ra is changing. That's why you cannot take it the constant. So for this purpose, what is the best way is that we can go for the some graphical method. What is the graphical method? If you recall your CRE1, we can plot 1 upon RA. A we can write it here, or RA 4 prime, and here will be the PA. So if you plot this one, you may have certain this one, and area will give the, that means if you take for PA, VR is equal to, if I take it for the direct system, it will be FG pi into area, is it? So you can easily find out the this particular volume of the reactor, is it? Now how we can find out various R? Now we have this equation or this equation. We know in out conditions, is it? So take the intermediate value, that means PA, PA2, PA1. So two values are there. So take the intermediate at least three values. That means PA3, PA4, and PA5. And then find out the corresponding CB3, CB4, CB5. Okay. And then you can find out the, for these conditions, you have to find out what? EI, MH, and then you have to go for the E value. Once you have E value, then you can go for the RA. So once you have RA value, then you can. Suppose this value is coming somewhat constant for these all four values. So what you can say that you can directly take the average value. But if it's drastically changing, then you have to go for the integration of this. So this is the simple procedure to find out the area for this one. And what is the equation for RA? If you recall this one, yes, I hope that now you remember this equation. Plus H, you can write H equal. Is it? I hope that you remember this. If you are writing, then only you can remember this particular equation. Okay. Now this can be understand that how this particular one can be used with the some certain example. Okay, so this is the case that not sufficiently slow reaction and the counter current tower. Tower in the sense both are in the plug flow. Now we can see that and note down this data because this may be useful for some other examples also. Now take this particular say the tower, both gas and liquid in the both are in plug. And here the plan is that to remove almost 80% air from gas. And here liquid having reactant B in water. Okay. So reaction is A, which is in the gas, will transfer to the liquid, plus B, which is present in the liquid, will give the product R in the liquid with the reaction Ra is equal to KCa Cb. Okay. So we assume that it has the negligible vapor pressure, so it will not go in the gas. And for a particular case, we have to find out the volume of the tower and also the resistance location. That means where it is lies, whether it is resistance in the gas film, liquid film dominating, or reaction is in the film or at the interface. So data is given. So I'll write here. You can note down. Fg is given. Mole per hour, which is at the pi is equal to 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Pa in 1000 Pascal and Pa out 100 Pascal. Diffusivity 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 meters square hour. Cu is given as 4 times 5, remember. Moles of H2O, which is inert, per meter cube liquid. Okay, so it is a constant value. Then FL is given. Cb in is given as 55.56 mole per meter cube. KAGA is given as 0.36 mole per hour meter cube Pascal. Okay. Further, KALA is given as 72-hour inverse. Small a is given as 100 meters square per meter cube. FL, that is VL upon V, is given at 0.08. Then HA is given as 10 to the power 5 Pascal meter cube per mole. And K is given as rate constant 2.6 into 10 to the power 7 meter cube per mole hour. Okay, so this is the given. So what will be the value of CB? First important is that this value is given, this is given, CB in is given, but CB out is not given. So how we can get this CB value? We can use the simplified version. Here you can check where it is. CU is given, CB is given, or standard equation, that what is the balance equation? First is CB out we have to calculate, is it? So for CB, calculating CB out, FG YA in minus YA out is equal to FL XB out minus XB in. Is it? So by using this one, you can calculate, or another expression, that what? FG, if we are taking the dilute case. Is it? So just try to get it the value of CB out from this expression. You will have the, just check the difference. Do the calculation. While writing, be careful when you solve in the exam. Don't tell me कि सर छूट गया ऐसा हो गया. Here it is 90,000. Here it is 900,000. Remember. So what is the value of CB out here? Or by using this 9,000 sorry, 90,000 divided by 10 to the power 5 thousand minus 100. It should be 90% to be removed. So 90% means 100 will be there. And will be equal to FL is given 9, B is 1, CT is given as how much it is? CT, CT value, how much it is given? So CT will be approximately to CU. So it will be 5, 5, 5, 6. CB in is given 55 minus 55, sorry, 0.56 minus CB out. Let me know the values of this CB out from these two equations. Yes, it should be approximating same. Okay. Do the calculation, let me know this value. Yes, do the calculations. Anyone? Using first equation, hopefully. 5.0. Always write the unit, okay, mole per meter cube. So roughly it is coming to be 5 mole per meter cube. So it will be easy to use this equation, remember, as compared to this one by considering the dilute gas. Okay. I hope that all of you are doing these calculations. Now, once you have calculated the CB out, we have to check that the value of RA at top and bottom of the top. So at we can check it that MH value. So MH is D. So diffusivity is given as 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 6. K is given as 2.6 into 10 to the power 7. And CB in is given as 55.56. This square root. Okay. And mass transfer coefficient KAL. There is KAL. Is given as 72 per hour, that is KLAA. So we have to divide with the small a. Remember, you should not make this mistake. Always check the units consistency. So what is this value MH? Yes, do the calculation. Let me know the values of this MH. And what is the EI is equal to? So 1 plus diffusivity 3 points. So it will be constant for this one. So automatically it will get cancelled. So CB is given as 5.56. HA, where is HA value? 10 to the power 5. And then PA, we can take it PAI is equal to PA at this condition. So at top, so it will be PA out. So it will be, is it? So what is this value? Yes, what is the values? MH is 100. Okay. 100.158. What about EI? EI is equal to how much they are written? 55561. Yes, 55561. Then what is the value of? Is it? Triple five six one. Okay. She has mentioned 55561. Then what is this particular case will be? 5 times of MH EI is greater than 5 times of MH. Is it? If you go for MH, it will be 500, but still it is more. Therefore, for this particular case, E is equal to what? MH is equal to, we can say that 100. So now E we got it. Now do the calculation for is equal to. What is all that expression? 1 upon. I write it again. If you write it again and again, hopefully you will remember this particular expression. So it will be KLA plus HA KCB FL inverse PA. So you can just substitute here 1 upon 0.36. It should be E value plus HA. HA is how much? It is 10 to the power 5 divided by 72 into enhancement factor, it is 100 plus 10 to the power 5 divided by K is given as 2.6 into 10 to the power 7. CB is given at the top condition, CB out, no, CB in, it will be 55.56. FL is 0.8, sorry, 0.8. Inverse into PA. PA is 100. So by solving this one, you will reach to. So do the calculation. How much value is coming? Find out the RA. And always write the unit, remember. Meter cube per meter cube. Sorry, it will be mole per meter cube second. Per unit volume of the content. Mole per meter cube second. So similarly, you can do the calculation. Yes, anyone has done this calculation, let me know this value RA. Similarly, you can do it for the bottom. What is MH? What is EI? And then go for the RA. EI and then find out the E value from these two. And then you will get the E value. Then if these values having the very drastic change, but still we can go for the intermediate value D and E, we can say that. Some values say that if you make into 1, 2, 3, 3 portions, so 1/3 and 2/3. 1/3 height, 2/3 height. So how we can make it? Approximately say that this PA is changing from 1000 to 100. Is it? It is changing from 1000 to 100. So we can just roughly take PA value. Something like this, PA for this case. If you are going from bottom, 1/3 height will be roughly, we can say that it will be something like 600. It will be somewhat 300. Pass. So for these also you can calculate these values. Okay, once you have all these values, get the RA. So you can plot them. Say that bottom, one third, 2/3, and top. So roughly this bottom is giving PA value. It is given Pascal, and this one we have taken as a 1/3. No, sir. It is 1000 na? Bottom. So we have taken this 600. This we have taken 300, and this we have taken. It is given. So corresponding CB you can calculate. It is given CB at the top. It is given 55.56 mole per meter cube, and it is calculated earlier as a 5 mole per meter. That means it is decreasing this way, it is increasing this way. Then corresponding EI value, MH value, E value, Okay. EI value, MH value, E value, and then find out the RA. So if this is coming constant, almost constant, you can go for the average. If it is not coming constant, then what? You should plot the so whatever graph you may get it. So area is it. So once you have the area, you can get the volume of the reactor. Now, another question is where the resistance lies. So from these two calculations, say that this first calculation, what you can say, this particular resistance may be this one. What is the value of this particular resistance? 1 upon 0.36. Roughly it will be 3. Okay. It will be approximating to 3. If you take for this one, it will be 1 point approximating to 1.4. Is it? Then for this particular one, it is 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 5 will be there. So it will be 100, 100 and 10 to the power 4. So it is approximating to 0 as compared to this one. So major resistance is lies in the gas film at the top of the tower, and somewhat suppose if you take it this one, so 30% will be in the almost 33% will be in the liquid film, and here 60%, 66% is almost in the gas film. Okay, so this you have to say that, and as the condition is satisfying this one, what does it mean? Reaction is the pseudo first order and mainly at the gas liquid interface. If you refer the figure, then you will come to know. Similarly, at the bottom, you have to find out what is the condition is coming, and in the intermediate. Suppose it is changing the your reaction regime, then you have to mention it that. So that is the location of the your resistances. Okay. This way you have to perform the calculation. I think in 24.1, yeah. So example, solved example 24.1, 24.2, 24.3, 24.4, even for 5 also. All these are given for the solved example for tower for counter current or co-current operation. So for co-current, only the sign will change, and accordingly you have to make the corrections in the equation. Okay, so we stop here and we'll continue in the next lecture, other portion. If you want to ask anything, you can ask me now. Otherwise, you may quit, no problem.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in Viva, will this week's topics will also be asked?
Pardon?
Sir, in the Viva, will this week's topics will also be asked?
No, I will put it that word in WhatsApp at least well advance when we have to conduct. And Viva will be on your CRE1, CRE2. Okay, anything can be asked related to the reaction engineering.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's not starting this Saturday.
No. We'll finish this. I think we'll finish this particular syllabus first, so that you will be free with this. Is
Okay.
it? Or at least we can finish this chapter on Saturday. I think we will be able to finish this chapter, matlab this particular. So only 2 chapters will be remaining. So we need at least 4 to 5. So I think let us see that how does it work. Still, I have not planned because you have around how many students?
114, sir.
So it is very difficult for me to conduct the Viva for these months. So at least some 4 to 5 minutes will take for a one student. So if you calculate that, so roughly 10 students we can do it in a 1 hour. So 10 into 60, that means almost it will go at least 20 hours. Is it?
Yes,
So
sir.
it will be very difficult for this one. So I am planning for the some objective examination for this one.
Okay, sir.
But I will put it that don't worry. I will put the everything just with well advance, at least 3 to 4 days before the anything. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.